All right, welcome back to our bundle of mess, our spaghetti bowl of wires. And we're just going to illustrate that our system is working and it's working well. So according to the shunt, we are picking up 21 amps of charging right now. Right, so let's set our multimeter to read amps, make sure it's on DC. And yep, about 19 amps, 20 amps, it's close enough. So let's see what's going on downstream. So each of these, I guess, battery clamps or alligator clamps go to one of our battery banks. So this bank is charging at 4 amps. This one's drawing 7, so that one must be lower. This one's only drawing 3. And this one in the back here is drawing 7 as well. So 9. So yeah, these are smaller gauge wires. These are 4 gauge, and whereas these are 4-aught cables. So we're utilizing the fact that once the charge comes into this node, it's being split into 4 different battery systems in parallel, so that's why we're able to kind of withstand the high charge current, with smaller gauge wires. So that, and also I have the charge limited to 80 amps, and that's another factor of safety that's kind of built into our system to make sure that nothing is undersized and overcharged. All right, so this is my system. I have all different brands, just because I'm testing them out. So there, that's what batteries look like. We have 32 kilowatts of capacity here, and it's been working out really well. And if you're looking at getting into solar, I hope these videos help you. All right, good luck.